Welcome to the e-news of St. Richard's Episcopal Church in Winter Park, Florida for June the 15th. I'm Dale Truscott. I'm the interim priest at St. Richard's for the summer months. We continue to be grateful for the wonderful weekend we just experienced here with the visit of Bishop Terry White, for the ordination of Jim Kristoff to the transitional diaconate, and for the confirmation of 5 people and reaffirmation of faith. And we thank you all who made it possible and helped us make the service and the lunch following such a joy. This Sunday we get sort of back to normal on the third Sunday after Pentecost. Our worship services are 8 a.m. Rite 1, 10:30 a.m. Rite 2, and 5 p.m. Rite 2 worship. Our adult education opportunity, Where Are You on Your Spiritual Journey, continues at 9:30 in the parish hall. And there are some great family events coming up next week and the week following. On Sunday, June 25th at 5:30, we will have movie night featuring A Dog's Journey, free popcorn and concessions in the parish hall. And on Wednesday, June 28th, the Four Seasons Ministries that runs the food bank at our church is sponsoring a free Kids Day with pizza, ice cream, and many activities for kids. All are welcome at this as well. Tickets continue to be available for the Celestial Voices of Barbados on July 30 at 4 p.m. in our sanctuary. The link to Eventbrite is in our bulletin and online. This coming Monday, June 19, is Juneteenth. Our office will be closed for the holiday. Our regular staff meeting will be on Tuesday, June 20 at 10 a.m. We are continuing both of our weekly Bible studies with Jim Kristoff through the summer, Tuesday evening at 6:30 p.m. and Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Both happen in person and on Zoom. The Zoom link is available on our website. And here's a little hint of a profound piece of Christian art soon to be revealed at St. Richard's. Be at worship on June 25th and be thrilled and amazed at the profound experience. And of course there's more, but I refer you to the Sunday Bulletin, the link for which is on our website. Have a blessed weekend, y'all.